Imagine waking up every morning knowing your bills are already paid, your investments are growing, and your time is finally your own. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Now imagine the opposite, clocking in for 40 years, struggling to save, and wondering if you'll ever escape the grind. Scary, right? But hey, let's not spiral into a midlife crisis just yet. Today, I'll share the best passive income ideas for beginners. Yes, even if you've never invested a dollar before. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Stick around because the last idea I'll share is something almost nobody talks about, but it could be the game changer you need to kickstart your wealthy lifestyle. Let's start simple. Passive income isn't just a buzzword, it's the foundation of financial freedom. It's like planting seeds today so you can harvest tomorrow. The best part? You don't need millions to start, just a plan. Let's dive in. 1. Dividend investing. First up, dividend investing. This is where your money works harder than most of us ever will. You buy stocks from companies that pay dividends. Essentially, they share their profits with you. Start with apps like Robinhood or Zerodha, depending on where you live, and begin small. One tip, look for companies with a track record of consistent payouts. Think Coca-Cola, not the company launching the next space pizza. But what if you don't have money to invest just yet? Don't worry, there's more. 2. Renting out assets. Here's an idea that works anywhere. Renting out what you already own. Got an extra room? List it on Airbnb. Have a car? Sign up for platforms like Turo. Even unused gadgets can generate cash. It's like turning clutter into cash flow. But what if you don't own anything to rent? The next idea is for you. 3. Create a digital product. Create once, sell forever. That's the magic of digital products. Online courses, ebooks, or even templates. For example, an Indian designer can sell templates globally. A tech enthusiast in the UAE can teach coding. Or someone in the US can monetize their fitness tips. Tools like Gumroad make it easy. Feeling overwhelmed? Good. That's how success starts. Messy but exciting. Ready for the big one? Here's the game changer. Content creation with automation. Hear me out. Whether it's YouTube, blogging, or podcasting, you create content once and earn passively through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Don't want to show your face? No problem. Faceless videos are thriving. Visual. Examples of animated explainer videos, faceless travel vlogs, or AI-narrated blogs. Imagine a single video earning you money while you sleep. Platforms like ChatGPT and Canva can simplify the process too. And here's why you need to start today. The earlier you begin, the faster you compound your results. Every day you wait, you're leaving potential wealth on the table. Still not convinced? Let me leave you with a thought. The wealthy aren't working harder, they're working smarter. Which side do you want to be on? Passive income isn't reserved for the elite. It's for anyone willing to take the first step. Whether you're 18 or 40, living in New York, Mumbai, or Dubai, you can start today. Which idea resonated with you the most? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more strategies to build your wealth and live the life you deserve. Let's create a future you'll be proud of.